Hey guys, back this week again with a new picture for you guys. So this week we're going to be learning about symmetry. So you're going to find out how symmetry has to do a lot with art, and it's also something that you learn about in your math class. So check out the next few slides to learn a little bit about symmetry and how we're going to use it in our project for today. Alright, so now that you've learned a little bit about symmetry, and a lot of you guys probably have already learned about it, you're going to notice that my butterfly, I have a design that's different for the top two wings and for the two bottom wings. But if you notice, whatever I drew on this side, I also drew on this side. So it's very important that you guys are making sure that if we were to cut our butterfly right down the middle, it would match and be exactly the same on both sides. So what you're going to do is, with your pencil, I'm going to show you guys how to draw your butterfly. We're going to go ahead and take our time to do this. If you need to pause the video at all during any of this drawing, please do that so you can catch up, fix anything that you're having trouble with, but just remember to try your best. Alright, so now that we have our picture ready, I'm going to go ahead and help you guys get started. So we're going to be making our butterfly's little head, just like a little oval shape, the body. Again, try your best with this. I can't really erase my marker, so if I make a few little mistakes and it's not exactly the same on both sides, just remember that you guys are able to erase yours. So I'm going to start with the wings. I want to try to fill up my paper as much as I can. If you want to try making a different shape wing, that's fine. Just remember to make it the same on both sides. And now I'm going to do the other side. They don't come out exactly the same. It's okay. Just try your best. All right. So once I have this, you can go ahead and add antennas. You can leave your butterfly's face like that, or if you'd like to add little eyes, mouth, whatever you'd like to do for that, that's fine. You can leave your butterfly plain, or you can do some kind of decoration. I kind of like the way that a little bit of a curved line looks. This way I could pick different colors. This part you don't really have to worry about the symmetry, because you pretty much just have to color it exactly, you know, if you want to do a pattern. It's not like you have to match both sides unless you do something going down the middle, then maybe you would. So when we go like this, we want to pretend like we were cutting our butterfly in half. So whatever we draw on this side, we should be doing exactly the same on this side. So you could even draw this shape again. Then I would try my best to go ahead and match it on this side. I could do lines around. But one thing I want you to notice, if I stop right there, I have to go back and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I want to make it the same. So I'm going to have to count 6 lines on this side. This way it matches. Okay, then maybe I'll do a few little triangles. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So just to look back at my other picture, you can see how already they're starting to look completely different. Everybody is going to be working on these butterflies and they're all going to look different from each other. So that's really what we want to try to do. I'm going to go ahead and finish decorating this butterfly, and then I'll pick up right after that. So I'll give you a chance to go ahead and draw your butterfly, and you could pause the video here until you are finished decorating your butterfly wing. Alright, so as you can see, I have my butterfly all decorated. This is exactly what I want to do for the wings. It's up to you what you want to do with your background. You can see here, I just made little lines to make it look like the butterfly was flying around. But if you want to decorate a background, that's up to you, or you could just simply color it like it's flying in the sky. So when you get to the coloring, we also have to keep in mind that we want the coloring to also have symmetry. So if I was to color this triangle blue, what color should my triangle on the other side of the wing be? blue. All right, that does not mean that all the rest of my triangles need to be blue as well, but maybe I would switch to red this time. And if this one is red, this one's in the middle, this one on the other side should also be red. Now I could pick a different color to do the rest if I'd like, but that's up to you. Same thing down in the middle, decide what you want to do with how you color that. And it's really up to you what kind of art supplies you want to do your picture with this week. When I did mine, I used a little bit of colored pencil and mostly marker to do my butterfly because I kind of wanted my butterfly to pop out from the rest of my background. So that's what I decided to do with mine. But again, you decide what you want to do with it. So I hope you guys had fun with this week's project and with learning about symmetry. When you are done, please don't forget to post your picture in Google Classroom when you turn in your assignment. If you're still having trouble with doing that, you can still have your parents send me a picture to my email, and I can't wait to see how they look. So have fun, guys, and I'll see you next week with another new picture. Bye, guys.